Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. At first open your phone dialer, then tap on more icon and select settings. Here you will notice block numbers at the top of the list, and as you can see you can either block all unknown colors if you wish, just tap on the stop switcher, or you can add some number manually by yourself over here. Just enter it and tap on done. Click on plus, and as you can see from now on this number is blocked. Then whenever you wish to remove the number from your blacklist, click on minus and that's it. Also you can pick some contacts to block if you wish, or recents, but as you can see I've got no call history here. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.